Morning guys, it's Friday and baon mission ngayon is rice and iniluto ko na adobo. Iinit na lang niya pagdating sa work tapos banana. Yan yung kanyang baon today. Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa museum. Ang ingay kasi ang daming kids ngayon. First museum tour natin dito sa UK. Oh, there's a big cat! Hi! Is it peace now, Dad?
Hey?
Peace now, later.
Yeah, peace.
Ganda ng tree. Nakita ko sa kanila yung manok. We called it manok.
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 Yeah, manok. Roaster, manok.
A what?
Manok.
A mammal?
Manok.
Manok.
Yeah, manok.
Manok. Manok.
Manok.
Tell that manok to stop cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yeah, that one. Manok. Manok.
Manok.
Yeah. Like Egyptian thing.
All Egyptian, yeah, it is.
Yeah. It's a lot of... The kids are very happy that they see in the museum. Yeah. Hide. This yeah. Yeah. Jar, a large storage jar.
Yeah.
This is what we having in the Philippines. We don't have a fridge for our cold water.
Oh, so you have it in them?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know where it is. It's gonna be like a history, you know,
Yeah.
like this. And then there's a cover,
Yeah.
and then you don't need ice or anything because the water is cold.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We called it banga. Banga.
Banga.
Banga.
Banga. Ba.
Banga. Banga. Oh, you're so cute. Sorry again. Banga.
Ba.
Nga.
No.
Nga.
Na.
Nga.
Banga.
Nga.
Oh, galang mo galang.
That's a shun cannot speak. Dad.
It's a good hide in that tub. In that thingy there.
Yeah, the jar.
When somebody comes up to it, goes.
We call it banga in the Philippines. We put a water there. Banga. Banga.
Banga.
Nga. Nga.
Na.
Nga. Nga. Yeah, banga. It's hard to say. Nga. Nga. Not. When you say it bana, it's not bana, it's banga. Nga. Yeah. Because when you say bana in the Philippines is husband.
It's
Husband, the bana.
asthma.
Yeah. You know bana? The husband here, we called it
husband.
bana in the Philippines. Bana. Yeah, that one is banga,
All right.
not bana.
Yeah.
Banga.
You don't do me.
Mom, the sweetest called to the wife is called asawa. Dad, we're gonna call you my asawa.
A sowa?
Yeah, and you're gonna asawa.
A sowa.
Asawa, yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, say it right. And you, Dad, Mom, we're gonna call you my bana, which is my husband.
A bana.
My bana.
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 Yeah, hi, my bana.
Bana.
That's why I call Kusyon sometimes my bana. Yeah. That's very sweet.
All right. There you
You're
are.
gonna call Mom my asawa.
Sawa.
Yeah.
Sawa.
Asawa.
Sawa.
It's very cute. Asawa ko. Asawa ko. Where are you? Like that.
Asawa ko.
Asawa ko. It's very sweet, man, in the Philippines. Yeah. Ah, here. You get more inside here. Yeah. Where's mom? Naapa dito sa sulod, guys. Marami silang natutunan sa akin ngayon. Dito kami, guys, sa aquarium, but hindi ko nakakita ng kuan from Philippines. That's big.
Look where it's turned round. They must get fed up and just going round in circles.
It's going into that one.
Yeah, going there. There you go. Hi guys! Kakabalik lang namin galing sa museum. We had fun in museum, mom, right? Oh, I see. What is this helicopter? Nag-walking muna kami ni mother bago ako uwi. Kasi, yeah. She love walking and I love walking. Ah! Bakit naman to, guys? There.
There we go.
Ang ganda ng panahon. Kanina umaga, grabe ka ulan. Did you still remember the words that I teach you earlier about the bana?
Yeah.
That is your bana. And your is asawa.
Havana.
Bana. Hi, my bana. Are you okay?
Hi.
Yeah. My bana.
Bana.
It's a nice day. It's a nice sun today. Again. Yeah. My God, I hope this is like this earlier, you know.
Yeah. This is how it should be.
Yeah. Like it's very nice because it's like Philippines.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah. But still color a bit the wind.
Yeah.
In the Philippines, you just really like wear a t-shirt because
Yeah.
it's gonna be so hot when you wear this one.
That's it, yeah.
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 You're gonna be sweating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should.
Darling?
Yeah.
Darling? What are you doing?
I want a packet of crisps.
Who said?
You.
Guys, grabe. Ano na dito, guys? 6 o'clock. Nagantay lang ako na kunti bago magluto kasi nagutom naman ako. Ay, gutom kakalaag ba? Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Oh, kita ko sa inyo yung yung labas. Sobrang, parang parang yung alas 7 ng umaga, ganyan ba? Sobrang tirik ng araw dito, guys. Tingnan nyo, o diba? Yung sun, grabe, parang ayaw man umano yung sun umalis. Grabe mga tao dito, no? Kaya mga tao dito matagal matulog. Ano lang tayo muna, rest kahit 5 minutes. Rest kahit 5 minutes. Kahit 5 minutes lang, guys, kasi sobrang busy natin lagi. Tapos yung isa kumakain ng crisp. It's kanang sa pa kanang iya karon weekend wala siya trabaho, so maglaag-laag mi ganina, tapos kapoy kayo maglaag, sige laag oy, pero at least masuhito ko na ang lugar dito nila ba, yung alam ko na kung saan pupunta, tapos parang marunong na ako sumakay ng bus nila dito, ganyan, iba kasi sa atin. Tapos yung mga street parang medyo memorize ko na, so pero pa naman, guys, magwa 1 month pa ako dito sa 25, and then parang parang alam ko na yung lugar, parang familiar na ba yung araw-araw kami umalis, di ma-familiar ko na. So tapos sobrang saya namin ni mother at ni father nung nagpunta kami ng museum. Tinuruan ko sila, guys, ng Tagalog, yung mga yung katulad ng asawa at bana, ganun. Dahil yung kunting words, nagkakatuwa sila kasi sinakyan nila yung kabaliwan ko. Mga ano din kasi sila yung mga ano din kasi sila guys, yung sinasakyan din nila ako. Natawa na lang ako lagi sa kanila dalawa kasi minsan din tinitreat nila ako na parang kung bata ba, yung parang takot sila na mawala, yung mga ganyan. Hindi naman ako yung siguro yung tanga ba, diba? Yung ano lang tayo, syempre hindi natin lugar, hindi natin alam. Pero yung about sa sa ibang bagay, alam naman natin, no? Tapos sila guys, alam nyo ba, kung nakaupo ako, lagi kaming upo saan, lagyan mo sa gitna. Sila lang sa gilid-gilid. Para akong bata ba na takot sila na mawala. Na, baka alis, ganun. Tapos mawala. Tapos sa kanilang bahay, pag umupo ako, nasa gitna ako lagi. Dito guys, oy, hanggang dito lang muna kasi nagluto muna ako guys at marami pa akong vlog. Sana manood pa din kayo. Thank you. And thank you for watching. Bye!